Hi guys, welcome to Code Artisan Lab. This is our 14th video for Laravel blogging website, and today we are work on the pagination. We will perform pagination in our blogging homepage, and this homepage we have created in our last video. We have created this in our 13th video, so you can check that. And today we are perform the pagination on this homepage. So you can refer the Laravel documentation, Laravel official documentation. They have explained very well the pagination, and I will perform some simple steps to show the pagination links. So let's do this. So we have a two post, but I will show one, and another is show on the pagination. So let's do this. So I have opened my home controller. So this is my home controller, and one thing more I will perform, I will fetch this data according to the order by descending. It means the latest post will be show first, and then it will show the other posts. So here we will perform order by. So it will be order by, and then we will perform the key, the column, and then we will descending, and then we will perform the get operation. So if we refresh this, then it will show the latest post. And if I'll go to the admin, let's check that it is latest post or not. So what we will do, we will go to the login admin. So I have updated all this code on GitHub, so please check the GitHub link in the description. And let's say view all. So this is the fourth post. Here you can see the ID. This is the fourth post we have created. So this is the latest, and then this. So we are showing the latest post. So latest post first, and then according to this. So this order by method will work. So this is the basically elegant ORM which is provided by the URL. So this is very helpful. So you can do that. You can refer the documentation and learn from the documentation as well as my videos. So now let's perform the pagination. So what we will do, uh, we will replace the get with the paginate. So this method is very simple to show the pagination. You just pass the how many result you want to show. So I have two posts, then I will pass the one that I want to show the one only single result. So let's refresh this. So you can see here we have a single post is showing. Now we need to show the pagination. So what we will do here, so we will open our open our view files. So I will open the home template, and after this row, after this post row, here what I will do, I will this margin bottom, I have added this currently margin bottom, and here I will add pagination, and here I will add this is post. So this data I am passing the post in the array. So this post, and then you can say links. Okay, so now refresh this page, and here we have a pagination display, but it is not in a bootstrap. So by default Laravel show the pagination in the tailwind css. If you are using the tailwind css, then it's okay, then it will show the proper pagination. But we are using the bootstrap, so what we need to do, we need to change the style. So Laravel provides us the provider facility to use bootstrap. So what we need to do, we will open the we will open providers, we will open app service provider, and here what we need to do, we will use the pagination, and here we will use paginator. So you can refer this, you can refer the official documentation. If I'll use this use bootstrap, so here you can see we can use bootstrap css also, we can use bootstrap styling also. What we need to tell that we are using bootstrap. So here we need to use this paginator, and in the boot function we need to add this method. So in the boot function we will add this, and now let's refresh this page. So here you can see we are showing the pagination now. So this is very simple. I just want to show you that how pagination works. So this is very simple steps, you can follow this. So now we have created the pagination, and in this video I just want to show you that how pagination work, how you can show the pagination. You can change the number that you can change any number. Okay, and if you want the simple next and previous, then you can simple here add simple paginate. Okay, so what it will do, it will add next and previous link. So whatever your requirement you can fulfill with this two methods. You can say you can add simple paginate, or you can add the pagination links. So now I am commenting this so that you can download from the GitHub, and I am using the pagination. Okay, so in this video I just completed my target, that I just want to show you the pagination. And now in the next video we will work on the, so this is paginate. In the next video we will work on the sidebar. We will work that how we can show the common things in every page. So how we can perform this in Laravel, we will see in the next video. And we have lots of things that we need to do. We need to fetch the categories, we need to perform the my account, and we also need to do we also need to create the facility to add post from the front end. User can add the post from the front end. So we will do this step by step in the our next videos. So for now, thank you so much for watching this video, and please refer this official website laravel.com to read the documentation. And thanks for watching this video, and if you have not subscribed this channel, then please subscribe, please support. And thank you so much. And one thing more, please like the video. Okay, so thanks for now. Thank you.